Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Laura. Welcome to my channel. Today is day 27 of FACEMASKTOBER, and we are going to be doing the Beauty Concepts Pore Control with Tea Tree Face Mask. So this is the fourth and final one of the package of face masks that I got from TJ Maxx. So we've done the other three. This is the last one to do. So far, they've all pretty much been the same, and they all say the same thing on the back here, but I'm going to read it off again for you anyway, in case you haven't seen those other videos. It says our facial treatment masks are formulated for an at-home spa results. Cleanse the face and remove any makeup. Open mask and gently place on clean, dry face. Wear mask for 20 minutes and relax as your skin is nourished and revitalized. Remove mask, rinse skin clean, and enjoy youthful, radiant skin. It's pretty explanatory. It says it promotes clear skin, revitalizes skin's texture and appearance, and nourishes and refines pores. I pretty much love anything with tea tree. I've never used anything with tea tree that has been irritating to my skin and hasn't done any good, so I'm excited to use this one. I'm going to go ahead and cut it open and we're going to put it on. And again, with the other ones that we've tried from Beauty Concepts, they just don't seem to cut out the eye holes, and I don't know why they're not cut out. If anybody knows, please comment down below and let me know why that they don't cut out the eye holes. There was one that was a charcoal one. It was black. That one had the eye holes cut out, so I just don't understand why they don't cut them out all the way. I don't really like the fact that there's like this little piece that's like hanging down right here. Let's see. And I like to make sure that they're facing the outside so they don't poke me in the eye. And I think we are ready to put it on. Maybe. I can already tell you I don't like the way it smells. There's a funky smell. Normally stuff with tea tree doesn't bother me, but this smells a little strong. Doesn't seem to be wanting to stick where my hair is at. It says 20 minutes. Okay, so we've got it counting down, and I will be back in 20 minutes. Alright, so we are back. It has been the 20 minutes and this is ready to come off. It's basically hanging off. It's pretty much hanging off my mouth the whole time. It's really not sticking very well at all, so I'm taking it off. I know I didn't squeeze out any extra serum, but that almost feels like that's the problem, that there's just not enough serum on there. There really isn't. I suppose there's a little bit in there. Really not a lot though. It's like a little wet in there. You can see it starting to come out, but it's just watery mess now. It just went down my sleeve, so yeah, I mean, I don't think that would have helped either. It needs to be a little bit more thick, so I gotta be honest, I really didn't care for the fact that it wasn't sticking very well. I suppose I need to go, yeah, I'm supposed to rinse the skin, so let me go rinse my skin and then I'll come back and let you know what I think. Okay, so we got our skin washed off. I really just kind of splashed some water on my face and then wiped my face off because that mask didn't really stick very well. I don't feel like there's a lot of serum on it, so I'm not really worried about there still being serum on my face. So to go over the claims of this mask, it says it promotes clear skin, revitalizes skin texture and appearance, nourish and refines pores. My skin feels clean, I guess, but it was clean before we started. Revitalizing skin's texture and appearance. I mean, it looks nice. It looks like there's kind of like a healthy glow going on. Nourish and refines pores. Feels moisturized, like my skin doesn't feel dry. I can't say it refines pores though, because I can still see them when I look close up in the mirror. So to just kind of finish up here, I really didn't like this. I think I was pretty upset that I wasn't sticking to my face very well. Out of all 4 of the ones that I got from the little packet at TJ Maxx, this is probably the one I liked the least just because it didn't stick very well. I was really hoping I would like it more because of the fact that it has tea tree in it, but yeah, I don't know, that was kind of disappointing. So let me know if you have tried any of these yet from TJ Maxx, or if you're going to go see if you could pick them up. Please thumbs up this video if you enjoyed it. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so now. That way you don't miss out on future videos. And until tomorrow's next Face Masktober video, I hope you're having a great day, night, weekend, wherever you are, whatever you're doing. Bye, everybody.